A switch flips for mankind. Our ancestors have just made the first step from survivors of our environment to the creators. The simple hammer may have been the first tool created by humans, or at least our human-like ancestors. Over 3 million years it takes for the simple addition of the handle. However small it seems, this change significantly improved leverage and precision. This leap allowed for more complex construction and tool-making processes, facilitating advancements in building and crafting techniques across early human societies. A new chapter unfolds as humans transition from stone to metal, embracing bronze to forge stronger, more reliable tools. The hammer undergoes a transformation, becoming a symbol of human advancement. This leap enables more efficient metalworking and expands the possibilities for construction and craftsmanship. The use of iron in tool making, including hammers, marked a significant evolution. Iron tools were even more durable and versatile than bronze. Additionally, the introduction of the claw head allowed for the easy removal and reuse of nails. Later, steel further improved strength and durability. The Industrial Revolution brought about mass production of hammers, standardizing their design and making them widely available. This period saw the diversification of hammer types, each designed for specific tasks, reflecting the growing complexity and specialization of labor. The 20th century saw significant innovations in hammer materials and design, including the use of synthetic materials for handles to improve grip and reduce vibration. These advancements made hammers more efficient and comfortable to use, catering to a wider range of professional and home environments. Today's hammers are the result of millions of years of evolution, designed for specific applications ranging from construction and carpentry to metalworking and demolition. Modern manufacturing techniques and material science have produced hammers that are highly specialized, efficient, and durable, meeting the needs of a diverse range of trades and hobbies.